What if I told you that you don't need a fancy degree, a big budget, or a complicated business plan to make $15,000 a month? Most people think starting a business is risky, but today I'm going to show you how one guy built a $15K per month business using just a chop saw, screws, and Facebook Marketplace, and how you can apply the same principles to start your own profitable business. By the end of this video, you'll discover the key to a successful, simple business, how to choose the right local product, attract customers without paid ads, and maximize profits while keeping costs low. And most importantly, why the biggest opportunity is in local markets, not online stores. So if you're tired of waiting for the perfect time to start a business, stay with me, because this might be the easiest way to start making serious money. Let me tell you about a guy I met recently. His story blew my mind. I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace when I came across these custom-built garage shelves. They looked solid, and the price? $770 per unit. Curious, I reached out to the guy selling them. Turns out, this one guy is making $15,000 a month doing nothing but building and selling these shelves locally. No fancy website, no shipping logistics, just Facebook Marketplace and a solid product. So I asked him, how did you get started? He laughed and said, man, I was just doing this part-time at first. I was making about $5K a month, borrowing my neighbor's truck to make weekend deliveries. Then one day, he sat down with his wife and said, babe, I think we could make a lot of money doing this if I quit my job. And you know what? He did. And his income tripled. He spends $200 on materials per shelf, sells each for $770, and only needs a basic chop saw and screws to get the job done. That's it. No crazy overhead, no expensive tools, just skill, hustle, and Facebook Marketplace. But the real takeaway? This could be done in any city. These shelves are too big to ship, so there's room for local builders everywhere. So let me ask you, what's stopping you from starting something like this? Many people believe you need a groundbreaking idea to make serious money, but that's not the case. The real secret? Simple, practical products win. Solving everyday problems wins, and focusing on local businesses gives you a huge advantage over crowded online markets with endless competition. Keep it simple, solve a real need, and you'll be ahead of the game. This guy didn't reinvent the wheel. He simply built heavy-duty garage shelves. No fancy gimmicks, just a product people actually needed. High demand, low competition, and a problem that wasn't being solved locally made it a success. Because the shelves were too large to ship, he didn't have to compete with big online retailers. On top of that, nearly every garage owner needs better storage, creating constant demand. By leveraging Facebook Marketplace, he connected with local buyers for free, turning a simple idea into a profitable business. The takeaway: you don't need to invent something new, just find a product people already want, make it easily accessible and deliver it better, faster, or more affordably than the competition. Focus on solving real problems and the demand will take care of itself. Finding the right product to sell locally. Focus on high-demand products that are hard to ship, like home improvement items such as shelving or workbenches, fitness gear like squat racks or home gyms, outdoor essentials like firewood racks or garden beds, storage solutions like tool organizers or heavy-duty bins, or even local services like furniture assembly, pressure washing. Address a common problem and focus on your local market. Here are some key steps to consider when choosing a high-demand, hard-to-ship product for your local business. Test the market first. Begin by testing the waters. List a few products on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist to see what sells. This low-risk approach helps you gauge demand before fully committing. Keep production simple. Optimize your process by using simple, cost-effective tools and materials, allowing you to work efficiently while keeping profit margins high. Focus on quality and smart sourcing to maximize every dollar spent. Offer customization. Customers are often willing to pay a premium for personalized options, whether it's custom sizes, unique colors, or added features that fit their specific needs. Offering customization not only increases your profits, but also sets you apart from mass-produced alternatives. Leverage word of mouth. A happy customer isn't just one sale, they're a walking advertisement. Satisfied buyers often spread the word, bringing in more local customers through referrals and reviews, helping you grow without spending a dime on advertising. The biggest advantage: you avoid costly shipping fees and fierce global competition, focusing instead on a steady stream of local customers who are already looking for solutions you can provide. How to start with almost no money. You don't need a massive budget to launch, just a smart strategy. Keep expenses low, test the market, and let your profits fuel your growth. Start small, refine your process, and scale up efficiently as demand increases. Source your first materials for less. Save money by sourcing discounted wood, tools, and supplies on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, buying materials in bulk from local suppliers, and repurposing old furniture, scrap wood, or leftover materials from contractors. Plus, consider networking with local builders for surplus materials or checking salvage yards for hidden gems at a fraction of the cost. Keep your tools simple. This guy built his business using just a chop saw and screws, proving that you don't need expensive tools, just the right essentials to create a high-quality product. Focus on efficiency and refine your skills as you grow. Use Facebook Marketplace for free customers. He built a steady stream of customers without spending a dime on ads by posting high-quality photos with great lighting and multiple angles to make his products stand out, using keyword-optimized titles like heavy-duty garage shelves to rank higher in search results, and offering local delivery to make purchasing more convenient. Once his first few customers were satisfied, word-of-mouth recommendations took off, turning his small operation into a thriving business with a growing reputation in the local market. Pricing for maximum profit. How he made $570 per sale. He kept pricing simple by spending $200 per shelf on materials, selling each for $770, and making a $570 profit per unit, while keeping costs low by buying in bulk, using efficient designs with minimal cuts, and sourcing materials from local suppliers instead of big box stores. On top of that, he optimized production by streamlining his process, reducing waste, and reinvesting profits into better tools and materials, proving that with the right strategy, you can scale your business fast and maximize long-term profitability. Scaling up to $15K per month, how he tripled his income. He started with $5K per month part-time, but once he went full-time, his income tripled by outsourcing deliveries, hiring a helper to double production, and increasing prices as demand soared, all while keeping costs low and maximizing efficiency. By streamlining operations, improving his product, and leveraging customer referrals, he turned a simple side hustle into a highly profitable business, proving that with the right strategy, small ventures can scale into full-time success. I know you probably still have questions, so I've put together some common ones to help you get started with confidence. What if I don't have experience building things? You don't need expert-level skills to get started. Begin with simple designs, learn from free YouTube tutorials, and practice using scrap materials. Many thriving businesses started with basic DIY knowledge and got better through hands-on experience. The key is to take action and refine your craft along the way. How do I price my product competitively? Study similar products in your area to find the perfect balance between affordability and profit. Consider material costs, labor, and delivery expenses if applicable. Test different price points, and if demand is high, don't hesitate to adjust your prices for maximum profitability. What if I don't have space to store materials or work on projects? Start with whatever space you have, your garage, backyard, or even a rented storage unit. Many entrepreneurs also collaborate with local businesses to share workspace and cut costs. The goal is to keep overhead low while you grow, then expand strategically as demand increases. How do I deal with competition in my area? Rather than competing on price, stand out by adding value. Provide exceptional customer service, quicker turnaround times, or convenient local delivery. Small customizations, quality craftsmanship, and a strong brand presence can make you the go-to choice, even at a higher price. What if my products aren't selling right away? If your listing isn't getting traction, don't worry. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Enhance your photos with better lighting and angles, refine your title with strong keywords, and experiment with different price points. Additionally, expand your reach by posting in multiple local groups, marketplaces, and community boards to attract more potential buyers. How do I know if this is the right business for me? If you love hands-on work, enjoy problem-solving, and are looking for an affordable way to launch a profitable business, this could be the perfect opportunity. Start part-time, test the waters, and refine your approach. Before you know it, you might just have a thriving business on your hands. If you're serious about building a 5 to 15K per month business, here's your action plan. Choose a high-demand local product, source materials at the lowest cost, sell on Facebook Marketplace, and scale up strategically. Be mindful of factors like workspace, tools, and production efficiency. Small adjustments can make a big impact on your success. While this business model offers great potential, it also comes with challenges to keep in mind, including physical labor demands, limited workspace, seasonal fluctuations in sales, difficulties in scaling operations, and the risk of local market saturation. However, with smart planning and adaptability, these obstacles can be managed effectively. As demand increases, handling production, sourcing materials, and coordinating deliveries can quickly become overwhelming without efficient systems in place. Additionally, if too many local sellers enter the market with similar products, competition may drive prices down, making it harder to maintain strong profit margins. Planning ahead and differentiating your offerings can help you stay ahead. There are plenty of platforms beyond Facebook Marketplace for selling locally. The key is to find what's popular in your area and where locals are already buying and selling. Neighborhood apps, online classifieds, and social media marketplaces all offer great opportunities. But the best platform depends on your product and audience. Pay attention to where similar items are selling quickly, test multiple platforms, and engage with local communities to maximize your reach. The more visibility you have, the faster you can grow your business. Now that we've covered all the details, let's zoom out and see the bigger picture. Because this isn't just a story about garage shelves. It's about the mindset that transforms an ordinary idea into a thriving, profitable business. It's proof that success isn't about complexity. It's about execution, persistence, and seeing opportunities where others don't. Talking to this guy, it was clear he didn't waste time overanalyzing. He just saw a need, took action, and learned along the way. No expensive tools, no massive startup budget, just a chop saw, some screws, and pure determination. What stood out the most? His ability to adapt. He started small, using a borrowed truck for deliveries, but when he saw the potential, he bet on himself, quit his job, and scaled up. And it paid off because he focused on solving a local problem with little to no competition. This conversation was a powerful reminder that most people stay stuck, waiting for the perfect business idea. When in reality, success isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about spotting a simple opportunity and executing it with focus, consistency, and smart decision-making. Here's the real takeaway. Opportunity is everywhere if you're paying attention. Look around your local area. What problems do people need solved? What products are too bulky to ship but easy to make? What's in high demand yet underserved? Just like this guy, you might already be sitting on a gold mine. The only question is, will you take action? The only thing stopping you is you. Most people overcomplicate starting a business, thinking they need a website, a loan, or a big marketing budget, when in reality all they need is action. Plenty of people have made serious money by keeping it simple, focusing on a real need, using basic tools and taking consistent action. Instead of waiting for the perfect plan, they start, adapt, and improve along the way. So what's holding you back? The opportunity is out there. The demand is real. The only thing left is for you to take that first step. Still feeling stuck on where to start? Or maybe there's something I didn't cover in the FAQ that's been on your mind. Whether it's about choosing the right product, finding materials, or overcoming the fear of starting, drop your question in the comments below. I personally read and reply to every comment because I want to see you take action and succeed. Let's talk. Your next big opportunity might just be one conversation away. And if you want more money-smart strategies to help you live the dream, make sure to like, subscribe, and share so you never miss out.